for 32,804 rupees. Okay, and they have other systematic of training system, that is she secured a highest rank of 636 marks in out of 720 marks what they need to attend the exam. Unless otherwise, they paid lakhs and millions of rupees to the corporate people or the corporate institute. Only then they are qualified. اللهم صل على سيدنا ونبينا مولانا محمد وعلى ال سيدنا محمد وبارك وسلم كما تجيت وتلا ما تجيت وتلا. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. For the protest against the NEET exam and the NEET pattern, it has been imposed to the students of Tamil Nadu, white students of Tamil Nadu, but all over India. But the pathetic situation is the Tamil Nadu students are going to the hell by suiciding themselves. As a protest, we, All India Muslim League, has stepped onto the street and raised our protest, saying to abrogate this system from the educational channel. First thing, with the grace of Almighty, and let Him peace and sovereignty be blessed with all citizens of India and to the students of NEET examiners and to the school students of this Indian society and in all of us, especially to the All India Muslim League followers and devotees. As a party of All India, we All India Muslim League, why we abrogate this NEET from the educational channel? I just want to appropriately state that the 3 C's that has not been totally substantiated or followed or satisfied by this NEET. One is that C, it has got no clarity. Second C is it has got no conformity. The third C is that it does not have any assurance. Okay, I just want to explain the data what I have during the year 2018. The state government has passed an order in 2017 stating that, I believe that is 2016 or 17, that government medical colleges does not insist for NEET cut-off marks. They will go by the state board or CBSE board cut-off marks. That was the notification given by the government of Tamil Nadu and represented their recommendation to central government. But till now, there is nothing has been happened. With that marks, with that statistics, what I have collected, I am just giving the explanation. As per the Medical Council of India, the medical colleges in Tamil Nadu, as the vacancy seat for MBBS, nearly about 63,835. But the entire seats, around about 96% of the seat has been granted or occupied by the students who have been indulged or who have been forcibly given to have the education under corporate system. All the 96% of students, that is in counting, accounts to 61,649. They have been educated and trained in the only and one institution called Akash Foundation Private Limited. They have n number of institutes throughout India. They are the pioneer corporate to train the NEET student to get qualified. I'll just give the fees alone about the structure, how they are adapting it. And you can imagine who the people can offer and who the people cannot be offered. Okay. Thing is, for the students who are coming out of +2 examination with successive high percentage of marks, they have been granted 1 month crash course. For that, they need to pay the crash course fees of around about 32,804 rupees. Okay. And they have other systematic of training system, that is, they have 1 year course training and 2 years course training. For the 1 year, they need to pay 1,36,526 rupees as an annual fee for getting trained in NEET examination or NEET pattern, or getting acquainted to compete in the examination. For the 2 years course, they have it has to get multiplied. Their fees is around 3,33,000. We have around about 23 government colleges in Tamil Nadu, and it has 22,500 plus odd seats for the poor and downtrodden who are qualified, really qualified in the matriculation and government exams. But then the NEET has come into force. The total system has collapsed such that the people who attain that particular highest rank of percentage, that is 198.75 cutoff, they are unable to get a medical seat in the government colleges. The government of Tamil Nadu has said, we are not opposing NEET examination. The notification of 2017 categorically stated, we have not opposed NEET to come into Tamil Nadu. We are asking exemption for the government college admission, which has got 2,500 plus seats, where the poor and middle class people can get trained and their ambition get fulfilled. You can impose to the private college like Ramachandra Medical College or what do you call that, this one, SRM Medical College or Apollo Medical College or whatever may be. But the thing is, we are only concerned about the state government medical colleges. But the government is totally unmoved. As per the norms of the government fees in medical college, a student, that annual fees which a student has to pay is around about 25,000 rupees, merely 25,000 rupees. The remaining thing, the government will take care. So this is how the people, the poor students of the poor family are working hard day and night. They are putting all stress and straining themselves and gain all cut-off marks for the MBBS category required. Okay, so this thing, I can just put one more example. In 2016, one candidate by name Kirtana, she was a CBSE student. She studied in Central Board of Secondary Education System pattern. Kindly note, he educated from Central Board of Secondary Education. She scored highly cut-off of 198.25 percentage. But then she didn't get any NEET examination. She passed the NEET examination, but she didn't get qualified. Okay, so she underwent for 3 years. She wrote the examination for 3 years. She completed 2 years training course in this Akash University by paying 4 lakhs, and then she completed third time in 2018. She secured a highest rank of 636 marks out of 720 marks what they need they have fixed. So such a hardship the normal or common student has to undergo. You know one thing, that Kirtana student, she studied from a renowned school in Chennai, where that has got all branches in all over every nook and corner of Chennai. It is called Padma Seshadri Balabhavan. It is highly qualified in Central Board. If the candidate of Padma Seshadri Balabhavan, which has CBSE pattern, does not able to compete or write or succeed in the NEET exam with the ambition what the marks she wants to get, then how come these small students of the pathetic students of the downtrodden students of from the villages and matriculation or from the state board, just think it about. Can a poor man, can a lame man who is earning from the society, who is fighting for the society for the daily bread earnings, can he afford that much of 32,000 or lakh of rupees for investing the money, such a healthy of money to the student studies? They can't. And one more thing I will tell you, in the current scenario, in the present year, nearly 17 students got suicidal attempt, they sacrificed their life. Just not because of writing the examination or getting disqualified or they are failed. Just because of the fairness what they got in mind, stating that even then we are going to write the examination whether you will succeed it or not. For the Durga Shri, you don't know the pain of their parents. What they have been taken is for 3 years, and they have spent around 5 lakhs of rupees by pledging all their wealth and jewels and paid the money to that student. Finally, before writing the examination, she got a fear. Because already 2 times she failed, but the 3rd time she got a fear whether she will succeed it or not. Finally, she wrote a letter. Sorry, ma'am, dad, I am helpless. I cannot do that. My dear friends, I hope you will get it. But for the parents, Kiran, I am very sorry that I cannot classify their way. So I am quite away. Suicide, attempt to suicide. So this is what the NEET comprises. So if the NEET would able to make it that 3 C's, that is the conformity, the credibility, and also the clarity. Only then the NEET could be admitted. That is the fact now. IIT or metric. The question has been prepared based on the NCRP, National Council for Education Research and Training. That's how the questionnaire is prepared, and all the students, either they are qualified or trained, unless otherwise the money before going into the training or undergoing to the training before coming to attend the exam, unless otherwise they paid lakhs and millions of rupees to the corporate people or the corporate institute, only then they are qualified. Recently I had a interview, ABP has brought on disclosed the interview with the NEET toppers in this year. When they interviewed, the NEET person who has attained the first place, she has been asked, what is the subject that you have taken in the NEET exam? She said, I took political science. She took political science. That's what. She is unable to narrate or say the word political in a NEET form. And she has been asked one more question. What is the subject? What you have learned of that? For this question, the candidate states that she learned about cooking and eating. So this is the strategy of the current NEET scenario, where all amalis and all hooks and picks are put inside and being baked to the students. This has to be removed upon. This has to be eradicated. Finally, I say, is a modern untouchability. NEET system that eradicates equalism, secularism, social diversity within the students and cultivates mentally disturbances that discriminates the young birds in the form of ambiguities and makes to withdraw themselves from the challenges and to the flourishment of the endeavors that has to come into their life. I thank you very much and praise the partnership put onto this protest by the Thiruvarur Secretary, respected Sri Abdul Ghaffar Bhai, and I really thank my State President, All-India Muslim State President, His Honors Sri Khaja Mohiuddin Sahab, and to the delegates who have come with me and given the opportunity to express my disgrace. Okay, and I believe that with this protest, the government will abrogate both this system from both the government and help the student. Thank you very much.